A metal pole is 500 centimeters long. Correct to the nearest centimeter. So first let us write lower and upper bound for the given number. Given number is 500 centimeters. Now, what should I subtract and add to get lower and upper bound? How do I decide it? We decide in this way. See, it's correct to the nearest 1 centimeter. So it is correct to the nearest whatever. You should do half of that. So do half, I get 0.5 centimeters. So this I should add and subtract. So I get 500.5 and here 499.5. Clear? Let's continue. The pole is cut into rods, each of length 5.8 centimeters, correct to the nearest millimeter. Here also let us write lower and upper bound for 5.8 centimeter. What should I subtract and add to get lower and upper bound? How do we decide? We decide in this way. Correct to the nearest millimeter. That means 1. Here the catch is, this is in centimeters and this is in millimeters. Units of both have to be same. So I will convert millimeter to centimeter. And how do I do that? By dividing with 10. So divide with 10. I get 0.1 cm, centimeter. Okay, now what will you subtract and add means it's nearest to whatever. You should do half of that. So do half, you get 0.05. So this you need to add and subtract. So we get 5.85 and 5.75. Okay, let's continue. Calculate the largest number of rods that the pole can be cut into. So, to get the largest number of rods, you need to divide by pole length. Whatever is the length of pole, divide that with length of each rod. If you divide, this will result in the number of rods that the pole can be cut into. Am I clear with this? Now, you also need largest number of rods. Largest number of rods mean upper bound for this you need. And how do you get the upper bound? Analyze here, this is a fraction and result should be upper bound. That could only happen if you take numerator to be upper bound and denominator to be lower bound. In fraction, upper by lower will result in upper. Clear? So now let us replace the values. So pole length upper bound is 500.5. Length of a rod lower bound is 5.75. So put this in the calculator. You get 87 point something. So don't take the decimal. So number of rods we get is 87. So 87 is the answer. Okay.